Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the gradient of a tangent and normal to a curve using differentiation. So we're told that this red curve has this cubic equation, and we've been asked to work out the equation of a tangent at the point 2,5, and to give this equation in the form y equals mx plus c. So when we have a tangent to the curve at this point, the gradient of a curve at this point is exactly the same as the gradient of a tangent. So what we need to do is to find the gradient of a curve when x equals 2, because that will give us the gradient of this tangent. And we can find the gradient function of a curve by differentiating this equation with respect to x. So we find dy by dx, we differentiate each of these terms, so this becomes 3x squared. The negative 4x squared becomes negative 8x. This x will go, so we're left with 7. And this negative 1 is just a constant, so this will go. So this is the gradient function of this curve. Now what that means is, if we know the value of x at any point, we can substitute that value of x into here, and that will give you the gradient of a curve. So we're told that x is equal to 2, where the curve touches the tangent. So at x equals 2, dy by dx will be 3 lots of 2 squared minus 8 lots of 2 plus 7. So dy by dx will equal 3. So now we know the gradient of this tangent is 3. And to write it in this form, y will equal 3x plus c. And we can work out the value of c using the x and y coordinates of where the curve intersects the tangent. So we'll substitute in y equals 5. That will equal 3 lots of x, which is 2, plus the constant. So c will equal negative 1. So the equation of our tangent is y is equal to 3x minus 1. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, so in this question, we're told that a curve has the equation given here, and the gradient of a tangent of a point PQ is 4. This is a point PQ here. We've been asked to work out the value of P and the value of Q. So perhaps you want to try this question yourself. You can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the work solution. Okay, so welcome back if you had to go. Okay, because the gradient of this tangent we're told is 4, we need to differentiate this curve and set its gradient to 4, then we can find the x value. So if we find dy by dx, we'll multiply this 2 by the 3, we'll get 6. Then we'll take away 1 from that power. This x term will go, so minus 14, and this 17 will go. And we're told that this dy by dx, its gradient is 4. So 4 will equal 6x minus 14. We'll add 14 to both sides. So 18 will equal 6x, and then x will equal 3. So our x value is 3. We can find our y value by substituting 3 into our curve. So y will equal 3 lots of 3 squared minus 14 lots of 3 plus the 17. And this gives us y is equal to 2. So that would be the y point here. So p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 2. Okay? Let's try one more question. Okay, so in this question, we're told that the diagram shows a curve with equation given here, and that the line L, which is normal to the curve, have a point 3, 3. So this normal means it's perpendicular to the curve at that point. So at that point, it intersects at 90 degrees. We've been asked to find the equation of this line in this form. So because it's normal to a curve at this point, let's say the gradient of a curve is m. At this point, the gradient of a tangent will be negative 1 over m. So we can find the gradient of a curve by differentiating this. So dy by dx, we differentiate the x squared, and we get 2x. differentiate negative 8x, we get negative 8, and then this constant will go. And we need to find the gradient of a point 3, 3. So we'll substitute x equals 3 into our gradient function. So dy by dx will be 2 lots of 3 minus 8. So this will be negative 2. So the gradient of a perpendicular will be negative 1 over negative 2, which gives us positive 1/2. And we can find the equation of this line using this standard equation. We'll substitute the 1/2 in place of m. We know our x coordinate is 3. Our y coordinate is also 3. We'll move the 2 to the right hand side, so x minus 3 will equal 2y minus 6. And then we'll make this equal 0. So x minus 2y plus 3 will equal 0. So this will be the equation of a normal. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below.